Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you my new everyday look. It's a really cute cat-eyed sort of natural glam, and I do this for a lot of my Instagram photos. But first, I have a really exciting announcement for this video. I'm going to be collaborating with Ana Luisa. They make absolutely beautiful, fair-priced, carbon-neutral jewelry. So I've been vegan for about 3 or 4 years now. I don't even really remember how long, but I'm always trying to do my part for the environment, and that's why I'm so happy that Ana Luisa is completely carbon neutral. They use recycled materials when possible, and they use small batch designs, which is great for the environment. These are the pieces that I chose. First is the Yusuf necklace, which is a very elegant and versatile gold chain. Next are these adorable safety pin C earrings, and lastly, these stunning boa earrings. I chose these pieces because obviously I like to have a little bit of edge when I wear jewelry and in all my clothes. I love chains. I love chain necklaces. I love wearing and layering them, and I know this is going to match like so many of my other pieces. You could dress this up, wear this like with a cute pretty dress, or you could wear it with a cool baggy tee and jeans. It could match anything and go with any vibe. And these earrings, I had to get these safety pin earrings. These remind me of when I was like when I was like 10, or like when you were in like high school, and like I felt like in 8th grade I used to put like safety pins in my ears, and like, did anybody else do that? Well, anyway, this is way more sanitary and way cuter. And these boa earrings, I've been dying to get snake earrings, but I just have always been forgetting. But I love snakes. I want a pet snake so bad. I think snakes are such a cool animal. I love all of these pieces. I just know I can like dress them up or down, like whether I'm feeling like going out looking a little boyish, or whether I want to wear like my power suit, or whether I want to wear like a skirt. You know, I know all of these are going to match any outfit that I wear. All of their jewelry is like amazing quality. I could tell like the second I took these out of the boxes that they were just good quality. You know, sometimes I buy earrings and I'm like, oh, these are like whatever, but they're cute for the moment. But I know these are going to end up lasting me a lifetime. Ana Luisa makes amazing jewelry for any price point, starting from $39 up to the high-end prices. But there's something for everybody on their website. And Ana Luisa has been so kind. They gave me a link and a code for you guys to use for 10% off on your first purchase on any of these gorgeous pieces and more on their website. So definitely hit the link below, check it out. They're absolutely gorgeous pieces that are going to be beautiful on you and good for the earth. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my gosh, this little curl around my ear is always just being too curly. So wow, it's been so long since I did a video, but thank you so much for coming back for another video, obviously. So today I'm just going to share with you my new everyday makeup routine. It's pretty simple. It's definitely based off like Doja Cat's sort of thick liner and a bit of that like foxy eye look. So this look is actually what I wore for the Sugar Baby promo shoot for all of the Spoil Me tie cardigans and everything. I'm wearing the black one today. So that's actually the look that I do almost every day now. So I'm gonna share that with you guys. First things first, I'm going to prime my face with the Milk Primer. I just use my hands for this because, I don't know, because it just works better like that. I don't really use foundation anymore. I really only use concealer. So I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown Concealer Corrector. And this is in the shade Peach. I'm going to just put that underneath my eye. And I really only put this where I have discoloration, and I do have a bit of discoloration right in the inner corner there. And then I actually go over my top lip here. It's a little bit bluish from the veins underneath. I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. I'm just going to lightly just kind of blend that in. I'm not so much swiping it, I'm just kind of dabbing it to make sure, you know, there's no streaky lines or anything, and it's all blended into the skin. And now I'm gonna go in with my brightening concealer and I don't do the triangle thing so much anymore. I saw like some TikToks that were like, don't do that, it's wrong. Okay, I guess I've been doing it wrong my whole life. Oops. So you're supposed to take your concealer and just dab in the inner corner and then dab in the outer corner to like kind of lift. And then I do it around my nose, just around the crease there. And then I go around the side of my mouth too, just to highlight there. And then I sort of sweep it under my brow, run it down my nose, and then of course, gotta highlight my forehead, duh. I sweep it, you know, give myself a little milk mustache on my chin, and then basically just repeat on the other side. Do I want to chisel my cheeks? No, I don't want to chisel my cheeks today. Not today. Sometimes I put it here, but not today. Oh my gosh, I look so crazy. Let's blend this out. I don't want to look like that anymore. Perfect. Awesome. Ooh, look, my face is coming together. And my battery is dying. Ugh. Okay, fine. Jeez. I'll fix that in a bit. Oops. Oh, right. I forgot to use the Maybelline Age Rewind. It's such a good concealer. I can't stop using it. And it's so cheap and accessible. I love it. So I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And this is the Contour Cream Kit. It's kind of ratch, sorry. It doesn't look very cute anymore. So I go in with this middle color, and I do cream contouring, and then I go over it with powder because I find it just looks so much better on camera. And I usually use this, obviously, when I'm doing shoots or when I'm just kind of taking photos for my own Instagram or something. And then just a little along the brow. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Sometimes I find if I go too heavy along the brow, it kind of just ends up looking dirty, so. And then, of course, along the sides of my nose. And then I kind of take it around my eyes here, flicking it up. And that kind of helps with the cat eye effect, or the foxy eye, whatever you want to call it. But just lifting up the outer corner of the eye is what I'm really trying to do. I take it underneath my bottom lip, which kind of just makes your lip look a little more pouty. For my blush, I'm going to be using this Bobbie Brown lip and cheek stain. I don't know what the color is anymore, sorry. I'm pretty sure it's blushed rose though. Being pretty light with my blush. Okay, maybe not that light, but light-ish, because again, I'm going to be using powder over top. And then just a little bit on the nose, you know. You know, like that cute, like, e-girl thing. I don't even know. I see it all over TikTok, and I'm like, oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna do that too. So I put it on my nose. I don't really know if it's cute or if it just makes me look like I have really bad allergies. But next, you know what's up? What's up is my favorite cream highlight. I love it so much. Oh, it's so good, and I've had this for years. It's probably expired and gross, but I don't care. So natural. Sometimes I just wear this and mascara when I go out because it just makes me, like, it's just so perfect. It's just amazing. I love it so much. Okay, now let's set. And I obviously still use the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. I kind of bake, but it's not really a bake. Do you know what I mean? I very lightly, right underneath the eye. And then I bake around my nose. And then I go along the top of my nose. I put a lot on my forehead because it's always oily there. And then I put like a little tiny bit on my cheeks because it does help to hide the pores I have there. My pores. So now we've done that. We just sweep away the bake. Okay, now we're gonna redo basically all of that except with powder. It's a little extra, but whatever. I'm using the Too Faced bronzer, a Too Faced chocolate bronzer. It's pretty ratchet, like you can't even see the back anymore because I've had it for so long. And then of course just a little dusting along the forehead. And then for my nose contour, some people go in, you know, with a tiny brush and they're a little more exact. Honestly, I'm just doing the contour just for like contouring sake. I'm not actually trying to like fix the shape of my nose. So I just squish my brush and just kind of run it along the side. I'm not trying to be perfect about it. You guys already know probably this product. It's the Tarte Amazon Clay 24-Hour Blush in Party. This is like the perfect sort of like flushed look. Do you know what I mean? And it's all broken. I would show you the inside, but it's smashed to pieces. Oops. Highlighter. Highlighter is next. I'm using the Tarte Skin Twinkle lighting palette. It's so pretty. It's the perfect shade. And it also is smashed to pieces. Everything I like breaks. I don't know why. It's probably because I'm not very careful. Wow, that's so nice. Oh my gosh. So now we're on to the eyes, the best part, obviously. So we are going in with, ew, it's like kind of gross. I'm just gonna cover that with my finger. So I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the original formula. And I'm just going, I'm like almost out of this. Do you guys like my nails? I was trying to go for like a smoky look, but I think they look a little more like blood, which I'm not mad at. So I'm really trying to go for that kind of like outer corner lifted look. So going back in with my Too Faced bronzer, I enjoy using bronzer. So I'm just using a big fluffy brush and I'm going to just kind of sweep it from like my outer corner out, and then I bring it a little bit in, really trying to like lift. So now I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I'm going in with Pisces up here. It's such a beautiful champagne color. So I just take kind of a large shader brush and I kind of like place it in the inner corner and the inner part of my eye and then sweep it outwards. So, and repeating that on the other side of my eye. This is such like a natural, pretty color. Okay, now we're moving on to the difficult part, which is the eyeliner. Okay, so just taking an eyeliner brush and I'm going to go in again with the Naked Basics. I'm gonna dip into Crave over here. I'm gonna follow my lower lash line and make a really kind of extended line. This eye never turns out as good as the other eye, so, you know, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to go from the middle of my eye and just take the powder and I'm going to connect there. Just to get the general shape of what the cat eye will be. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna do our faux lashes now, and I know it's weird to go from, it's weird to do your faux lashes in the middle, but it's because we're going to use these lashes to build the shape of your eye, if that makes any sense. These aren't my favorite shape of lashes, but I'm out of all the ones that I do like, and I'm too lazy to go out today, so I'll do one on camera and then the other one no. So the inner part of the eyelash, you're going to line it up right beside your lashes like you usually would, but then the outer corner, you're going to lift the faux eyelash and line it up with this top line you've drawn here. All right, wish me luck. So far, so good. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I'm just gonna kind of lift this up so you can see it's like not really flush with my lashes. Okay, I'm gonna do my other lash off camera because, oh my god, it's so difficult. This is the only part I really use liquid liner for. You're going to fill in underneath the lashes where it's kind of like just empty space because you lifted up the lash. So now we're gonna fill it in with liner and we're gonna kind of fill this in, but not too heavily. Does that make any sense at all? I don't know. So I'm just gonna lift this lash a little bit and go underneath there. And then I'm following this outline, just gonna gently. So I'm just taking a very tiny, tiny, tiny fluffy brush and I'm going to sort of blend out this outer corner. So I'm dipping into Crave again and just dabbing it slightly over the line. And that makes the line look a lot softer. And I just find that looks a little bit more natural. Okay, and now we're gonna do the little inner corner cat eye sort of thing. Oh my gosh, I did it. I did it and I don't think I messed it up. Yay! Again, dipping into Crave with your eyeliner brush. Just a little bit of eyeliner, and I just dab eyeliner just in like this outer third part of my eye, but I don't connect it to the inner corner or the outer corner. Dabbing the eyeshadow like just on the outer third, like defines it without being too heavy. And that's literally it. I'm just gonna do my mascara. You pretty much just do your mascara and try and curl your lashes together as much as possible. It's probably gonna be difficult because the outer corner is so much higher. Yeah, I don't really like these fake lashes. They're a little too short and dense. I prefer like long, kind of like wispy looking lashes, but I found these and they're really all I have right now, so. Let's move on to lips. So of course I love to match my lips to my blush, so I'm using the Bobbie Brown Lip and Cheek Stain in Blushed Rose, and I'm going in with a nice angled I'm going in with an angled brush. So I do overline my lips, but I only overline the top part of my lip here, like just around the Cupid's bow, and I find that helps my lips just look a little more pouty and full. And then, this is my favorite lip gloss right now. It's the Essence Shine Shine Shine. I don't even know, but it's so good, and it's like $3 from Shoppers Drug Mart. But I just usually put it on the back of my hand and then I use my finger to apply because I really hate getting these stains. It's so annoying. So just going to dab that on my lips, and I just keep it on the center. Bam. Look at that. That's so nice, right? That's it. This is it. This is the done look. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. It's a super cute, natural glam that you can wear. I don't know. I wear this everywhere. I wear it like if I'm going out for drinks with friends, or if I'm like going somewhere like a really fancy, like, I don't know, fancy whatever. Obviously I don't go to these fancy events very often, but it's also cute for if I'm trying to do like an Instagram photo. I think it's such a great look to make your eyes like pop and look really defined in a photo. Definitely hit the link below and check out Ana Luisa and get your 10% off because their jewelry is so gorgeous and versatile. And I definitely think you guys should take advantage of that code. If you're not already, definitely follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, all that good stuff. So follow me to keep up with me on my daily life. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa again for collaborating with me on this video, and thank you so much to you guys for coming back for another video. It really does mean so much to me. I know it's been forever since I uploaded, but I am going to start doing one a week since I'm working from home anyway, so it's a lot easier for me to film. So thank you again. Love you guys so much. Bye!